Best motorcycle for beginners: Kawasaki Ninja 300. Choosing the best motorcycle for beginners is a crucial decision, and one that can greatly impact a new rider's experience. In this regard, the Kawasaki Ninja 300 stands out as an exceptional choice. For years, the Ninja 300 has been a favorite among those just starting their journey into the world of motorcycling. Its combination of manageable power, sporty styling, and accessible ergonomics makes it a motorcycle that welcomes novices with open arms. In this article, we'll explore what makes the Kawasaki Ninja 300 the best motorcycle for beginners. History and evolution. The Ninja 300 is part of Kawasaki's legendary Ninja lineup, a series of motorcycles renowned for their sporty character and performance. The Ninja 300 replaced its predecessor, the Ninja 250R, in 2013. While the Ninja 250R was already a popular choice for new riders, the Ninja 300 brought several improvements, including a larger 296cc engine, improved chassis, and enhanced styling. These changes made it even more appealing for beginners and experienced riders alike. Ideal power for novices. One of the key factors that make the Ninja 300 suitable for beginners is its engine. Powered by a 296cc parallel twin engine, the Ninja 300 offers a perfect balance of performance and manageability. It produces around 38 horsepower, which is enough to provide an exciting ride without overwhelming new riders. This means you can experience the thrill of sport riding while building the necessary skills and confidence. Lightweight and agile. The Ninja 300's lightweight nature further aids novice riders. Weighing in at just over 380 pounds, it's easy to maneuver both in urban environments and on winding back roads. This lightweight character is particularly valuable for beginners who are still learning the nuances of balancing and handling a motorcycle. Comfortable and accessible riding position. The Ninja 300 features a comfortable and accessible riding position, which is essential for new riders. The handlebars are positioned at a reasonable height, and the foot pegs are neither too high nor too far back. This results in a natural and relaxed seating position that helps new riders maintain control and reduce fatigue, especially during longer rides. Quality suspension and brakes. The Ninja 300 doesn't compromise on important components like suspension and brakes. It comes equipped with a telescopic fork at the front and a monoshock at the rear. These provide a smooth and predictable ride, even on bumpy roads. The front and rear disc brakes offer reliable stopping power, enhancing safety and confidence, especially for riders new to braking techniques. Sporty styling. The Ninja 300's sporty design is a big part of its appeal. It resembles its larger siblings in the Ninja family, which makes new riders feel like they're part of a performance-oriented group from the very beginning. The sharp lines, aggressive fairing, and the dual headlamp setup give it an unmistakable sport bike look. Cost-effective. Affordability is a significant concern for most beginners. The Ninja 300 is known for its reasonable price tag, both in terms of the initial purchase price and ongoing maintenance. It offers the chance to own a sporty, high-quality motorcycle without breaking the bank, making it an excellent choice for those who want to start riding on a budget. Excellent fuel efficiency. Fuel efficiency is an important consideration for any rider, but especially for beginners who might be on tighter budgets. The Ninja 300 is known for its impressive miles per gallon (mpg) figures. This means fewer trips to the gas station and more time on the road, which is especially important when you're still getting accustomed to your new two-wheeled companion. Opportunity for skill growth. The Ninja 300's power delivery and manageable torque make it an ideal platform for skill development. As beginners progress in their riding abilities, they can gradually explore the bike's potential. The Ninja 300 can handle more advanced riding techniques and higher speeds, allowing for a more extended period of skill growth before a rider might feel the need to upgrade to a larger, more powerful motorcycle. Strong community and aftermarket support. Kawasaki's Ninja series, including the Ninja 300, has a dedicated and active rider community. This means that beginner riders have access to a wealth of information, tips, and advice from experienced Ninja owners. Additionally, there's a wide range of aftermarket parts and accessories available for customization, allowing riders to make their Ninja 300 truly unique. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Ninja 300 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a gateway to the world of motorcycling. With its manageable power, comfortable ergonomics, sporty styling, and cost-effective nature, it's the perfect choice for beginners. It embodies the spirit of sport riding without intimidating new riders, allowing them to build the skills and confidence necessary to fully enjoy their journey as motorcyclists. The Ninja 300 isn't just a beginner's bike, it's a worthy companion that can accompany riders on adventures for years to come. For those seeking the best motorcycle to start their riding story, the Ninja 300 stands as a clear and compelling choice.